Good day, my people. I'm here to talk about a very important issue. You know, Benin people will tell you that our Oba gave birth to your king, and for that, you people are Benin people. I'm here to address that issue because Benin people always say that propagating lies that they give birth to everybody because their son is ruling those people. Look at this picture on your screen. And what was written in that picture is that Itsekiri Ayariba says Alafin of Oyo as Warri chiefs visit ancient kingdom. That news was reported by Sahara reporters just few days ago. Now, if you look at the history of Itsekiri people, they have already settled in their land. The Oba of Benin entered Itsekiri land and installed one of his sons, Ginowa, who became the first Olu of Itsekiri. And that son gave birth to all the Itsekiri kings that you are seeing today. But the people that the Oba of Benin meant or land are Yoruba people known as Itsekiri people. And they still speak their Yoruba language till date, which is called Itsekiri dialect, but it's Yoruba. So why did Itsekiri people visit the Alafin of Oyo? By accepting their Yoruba identity and not visiting Benin Palace and telling them that they are Benin people. The people know that they are Yoruba people from Ile-Ife. A king was imposed on you does not mean that you will not leave your identity and embrace the identity of that king. Say the Oba of Benin come and impose one of the Pikin to rule people where don't already they exist for that place. No means say that people in that community are Benin people. The king does not own the people. It's the people that own the king. The Olu of Warri is of Benin origin. It's not proof, evidence, or facts that Itsekiri people are now Benin people. Itsekiri people are Yoruba people in ancestry. And that is why they are embracing their Yoruba roots and not Benin roots. One person come become una king, no mean say, now that person come get una. It no mean say, now that person origin una come be. If you go to Somika land today now, there are some kings there that came from Benin, that the Oba of Benin installed on those people. But the people that are already in the land are Igbo speaking people before the Oba installed their son upon them. And that is why their language couldn't change from Igbo to Benin because they are not Benin people from the start. They are Igbo people. And that's why their language swallowed the language of that Benin person that was installed upon them. You understand? So, all these Benin people coming around to tell you, your king is of Benin origin. That is not enough evidence to claim that those people there are of Benin origin because they are already Igbo speaking communities. They are already Igbo speaking people before anyone was installed upon them. So what these Itsekiri people did is very right and correct by embracing their Yoruba identity and not the identity of their king who came from Benin. Itsekiri king is from Benin and he has no right to tell Itsekiri people that all of them are Benin people. No, you know, we'll talk like that because they know their history. The owner of Itsekiri did not arrest those elders or arrest those people or to do anything to them by telling them that why would they visit Yoruba people and claim Yoruba origin. No, because he knows that these people are already here before I came. So he cannot tell them or force them that why did these people go to Benin where I came from. No, he knows that he is not the same person with these people. He met them there. He became their king. But they are not the same people with him. Same thing in Lagos State. The first Oba of Lagos State is the son of the Oba of Benin. But he met people in that land. Yoruba speaking people already exist there. So because he is now from Benin does not prove that Lagos people are all Benin people. You are just a migrant there where people are already existing. So that's why Lagos belongs to Yoruba people and not Benin people. In life, there are people that migrated from their land to other places. The language that is being spoken in that land is where those people belong. Lagos that speaks Yoruba cannot leave their Yoruba brothers and join Benin. It can never work that way. If there is any king in the land that traces his ancestry to Benin, it is not proof and fact that such a community is of Benin origin because we know the history whereby Benin Kingdom invaded Ika communities, killed so many of their Obi, and installed their son to rule over those people. We know all those history. So those people are not Benin people, they are Igbo people. That's why you see some Benin people will tell you, your king is of Benin origin. You people are Benin people, I will look Mumu people. The Obi of Iseluku was saying that they are from Benin. There is an issue that almost arose in Iseluku, whereby one boy from Iseluku attacked a man from Iseluku because the man said that they are of Igbo origin. And when the matter wanted to escalate, the Obi told the one that attacked the other man to apologize to him. Because you know, say, if they begin drag, say the Obi start to tell those people, say, we are Benin people, Iseluku is Benin. The first settlers in Iseluku that migrated from Uri, we arose. And they will start demanding for their throne, telling them that their migrants say that they are not to tell them their origin. Matter go arise and the matter go hot. If those people rise up now, big problem go dey Iseluku. And other Itsekiri people will not identify as Benin people, where claim say they be Igbo people. They go start to even do everything possible to come out that Iseluku king from throne because if they claim say he be Benin person, say he not be Igbo person. That is why he calmed down and settled the matter amicably. That one na king wey get sense. We don't want to make matter escalate because if he claim say he be Benin person, he does not belong to that land. People are already existing in Iseluku land before he came. So many Iseluku people are making videos saying that they have already settled here before anyone claiming that he's from Benin came. They are telling him, some of them are even calling the Obi of Iseluku chief. Because he's claiming that he's not an original king. He's claiming that he's the son of the Oba. So that's why some of them are not calling him chief. The thing they verse about, now so it's supposed to be. Iseluku is of Igbo origin. You will see Benin people will be backing online, telling you, Iseluku our son, our children. You are wasting your time. Iseluku is in Igbo land. They are not Benin people. So, if to say now na Oba born their Obi, it not mean say Iseluku people na Benin people. Because they are Igbo speaking people already in the land before your Obi came from Benin and joined them. And we are even hearing history that the Owadia that you people are talking about that gave birth to the Obi of Iseluku is not even a man but a woman who was married by Itsekiri. Yes, the Obi is not even from Benin. That Owadia is a woman. Itsekiri impregnated that woman and she gave birth to the Obi of Iseluku. Because no be one mama born all Itsekiri people. Itsekiri married so many women. So all this Onichubo, Iseluku, others that you are seeing, different women gave birth to them. Itsekiri people are Igbo people and not Benin people. Any king that claims Benin origin in Anioma land, na him sabi. What we know is that Anioma land is of Igbo origin. This land is Igbo land. So just like Olukumi people, they cannot say that Yoruba owns Anioma land. No, they are migrants here. So Benin people make una rest. Itsekiri people are not Benin people, they are Yoruba people. Lagos people are not Benin people, they are Yoruba people. We Anioma people, we are not Benin people, but Igbo people. Ikwere people are not Benin people, but Igbo people. We Anioma people are Igbos, we South Igbos are Igbos, Igbo bofu, and we must never allow anybody to divide us. Ishiegwale.